but we saw that sign. Are we still gonna park here? Here at the visitor center, just want to ask some questions quickly. Till 4 p.m. Cool. A few minutes. Okay, I reckon that tree just had a haircut. Yeah, I think it just had a haircut. Anyway, here are the places. Okay. So tonight we'll be traveling all the way there, 5 hours to Kabul Gorge, something like that. And yeah, the guy says it's okay, it's safe to travel tonight, just kangaroos. That'll be fine. Awesome. Okay, currently at Middle Stream Falls. I'm getting mixed up with the names, and yeah, they all look the same. They're waterfalls.
It's a bit cold.
It's a bit cold. Oh, there it is. And I can't see it. But yeah, it's quite a walk.
No, it's really good.
Yeah, it's. Yeah. Yeah. Look like a waterfall. Okay, that's the Middle Stream Falls, and yeah, we're on to the next location. Oh, it's okay. We're good. I'll climb the tree and get a photo from there. Nah. Nah, it's okay. No big progress. It's fine with me now. Oh, that's a big one. What? She said she's happy to be here. She did say that. We're hunting for the hot springs and freaking hell, I can't find it. I can't find it. Oh shit, I can't find it. We're here in the Inot kay sila. Inot Hot Springs. It's privately owned. They have this park here. You can park, you can stay for the night, but the thing is you have to be here before 4 p.m. because I just went there and it's around 5 p.m. They're already closed, and the only way to go after hours is just there. There's another hotel there for $90 you can stay for the night, but there's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet. And yeah, here it is. Inot Hot Springs. We'll try to check. So, see how everything is going. Yep. We'll check it out. So Laura's just there. She was ahead of me.
Pretty cool. Pang relax lang ba?
So there we go. So this is the hot springs. So it just brought us far there, and the hot springs just here. Oh. Just get a video. Hey, it's hot. Yeah, you have to balance it out with something cold.
It's cold down there.
Oh yeah, you balance it somewhere there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. See, there's a. This is, I think it's. No, I don't. I think it's. You can see the smoke.
Pretty hot.
Wait.
So hot.
How?
Really hot.
1 to 10.
Like you can boil an egg.
Let's get some eggs. Let's boil some eggs. I have an egg. No. It's gonna go there. So you mix the water with cold water. Let's go there. Okay, currently it's around 6:41 p.m. and we're heading to Cobbled Gorge, which is around 5 hours, so we'll be arriving there roughly 12:01. I don't know. But the thing is, we have to take a look at the road because there'll be lots of kangaroos in the way. Yeah, not good for the rental car. But we're on the way and let's do this. One more thing, I'm gonna end the vlog now because yeah, tomorrow's another day. So take care, everyone. Don't do what I don't want to do. Did I say it right? Don't do whatever. There's a wallaby in the road. It's running straight. How are we gonna drive when it's running straight in the road?
We're taking.
You're going to
No, we
leave it
can't.
to ducks.
Just let it.
I don't have that kind of money.
I can scrounge up 5 or 6.
Come on, wallaby! Not. You're getting tired.
When he's going to wake up. The clock is ticking.
Okay, I'm gonna move here. Shoot, move to my side.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see what I've stashed away.
You gotta beware. Beware. Okay, we're running on unsealed road late at night, and it's really dark up here. Really dark. Hi everyone, it's the night's out back here, and it's so dark. I can see the stars, but it's scary. There's a lot of kangaroos, creatures, and off the beaten path out here in the outback, and there's nothing in here. Some kangaroos, some wallabies, and sand everywhere. So it's kind of scary because there are lots of animals, the road is not sealed. And yeah, it's really scary. Don't do this. It's around 12 a.m. Cobbled Gorge. We're here, but you can't see the sign. 12:05. Finally. We're here.